My final beauty tip is from the inside out. Because if you want a beautiful skin, you also want to make sure you give your body things that make your skin beautiful. And to have a nice, beautiful Brazilian glow, carrot juice is amazing. Because all you're going to need is about 5 carrots.
Right.
And you can juice them at home. And if you don't have a juicer at home, you can also buy in the store.
That's true, right? Yeah, right down to a lot of the larger markets, you can buy carrot juice, all sorts of base juices. Yep.
Yes, because carrot has beta-carotene, which is a form of vitamin A, and that kind of gives your skin a natural glow. And all you need is 4 ounces. Because of the vitamin A, you don't want to overdo it. So you can mix with different juices and have it daily, 30 days before you go into sunbathe, and that helps to give you a nice, beautiful glow, like a golden tan. Hold your tan longer, it's anti-aging, and I've been using this for many years. I turned 40 last year, and this is really good for anti-aging as well.
So,
it's a nice, beautiful glow.
You know, we're here in New York, we're not in Brazil, but I can guarantee you everybody's gonna go home, put a thing on their calendar. Come May, we're all gonna eat carrots for a month. Thank you so much, Darcy. Bye-bye.